Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and my name is Hermano. Here is the DeepSDR 101. We're going to show you its parts and fundamental or basic operation. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, you will see here a huge 4.3 inches touchscreen monitor with 3 watts of maximum power speaker. On the right side, there is a Type-C USB charging, the power on and off, and the USB 5 volts output. You can simply charge your smartphone here. The power indicator light, and also a premium look. It is actually a metal. This is not a plastic. I like this knob encoder. And on the left side, you can see here a 3.5 standard millimeter audio jack and a standard scanner antenna BNC. Okay, so basically DeepSDR 101, there is a 12 selections that you can select using this knob encoder. 12, that is 12, total of 12 selections, and there are 5 selections that is not available, or 5 selection that is 5 selection that cannot be selected by this knob encoder, and there is 4 selection that you can use by just simply touching the screen. Okay, so I'll show you. First, these 12 selections that you can select using this knob encoder. These are the speaker, the earphone, the modulation, the channel, and of course the frequency. You have also on the second menu, because it is a separate, because speaker, earphone, modulation, and the frequency are the most common or let's say always used on a SDR. Sorry, the automatic gain control, the reference level, the LCD brightness, IF gain, including the you can change also the color of the spectrum, and also the waterfall you can change as well. Okay, so I'll show you. Just simply click the encoder to select an item you want. So here it is highlighted, the speaker, it is highlighted with red color. Next is the earphone, highlighted with the red color as well. The modulation, the channel selection, and the frequency. So that is the first 5 that you can select using the knob encoder rather. Next is, if you are going to if you want to select the automatic gain control, all you have to do is just press the button encoder, and then just hold it, and then turn it up and down to select, and then release the button if you want to change the settings of the item you selected. Okay, so simply, if you want to go to the next item, just simply press the button encoder, and then just turn the knob encoder. So that is simply how it goes. Next, if you want to change the settings of your spectrum, all you have to do is just simply press the encoder button, and then you can see it highlighted. Okay, and then if you're done, if it is already selected, then just turn up or turn down the knob indicator, and then see it changes the spectrum settings or the color. Okay, So that is how it goes. And now if you want to change as well the waterfalls, all you have to do is just to again press the encoder, and then see the red highlight is already on the waterfall, and then just simply turn it up or turn it down to change the waterfall settings. And if you're done, again just simply press the encoder again and find the item or the menu selection you wanted to change the settings. So basically that was the 12 items that you can select with the knob encoder, and the five items that cannot be changed by the encoder or select by the encoder is first the date, and also the power, the information data of the frequency or the channel, of course the battery. So those are cannot be done or cannot be changed by this encoder. Now let's go to the 4 item that can be selected by simply touching the screen. So number 1, the date and time. So if you want to change or edit the date and time of your DeepSDR 101, just simply click the date and time, and it will show you this. It will pop up on the screen, and just simply if you want to change the year, just turn up or down the knob encoder. See, and if you want to go to the month or day, just simply press the encoder. That's it. And then if you're done, just simply press the encoder once again to save the settings that you've been made with the data or with the date and time. Next is the frequency. If you want to change the frequency directly and not using the channel, just simply click the frequency. Okay, so the first 3 digits is the megahertz, and the second 3 digits is the kilohertz, and the last 3 digits is the hertz. So if you want to go to, let's say, 7 megahertz, 7.500 megahertz, so it changes the frequency there. So that is how are we going to operate the basic operation of DeepSDR 101. So the firmware of this product is actually version 1.0, and basically the standard menu, standard features are already here, and it is very helpful, especially for new ham users. And you can connect DeepSDR 101 on the computer by simply putting or attaching the data cable to the computer and to the USB charging port, and then just wait for the computer to install its drivers. And then after that, if you want to access and save the frequency, you can just simply do this while the data cable is attached to the computer after installing the driver. So simply press this button, press the encoder, and then turn on the power, and it will show the bootloader, and that you can edit the CSV file that you can see on the 1 megabyte storage of this device. And once you are done saving the frequencies to the CSV file, just turn it off, turn the product off, and then switch on, and then it will automatically detect all the frequencies that you have saved to that CSV file. So that is how simply in saving the frequency on this DSP or DeepSDR 101. I found some 2 features, or let's say it is a hidden actually, When you slide this touch pen from the middle and bottom of the screen going up, it will show you the startup logo of DEEPELEC, including the details. So let's try. See? Okay, so if you want to exit, just tap on the screen. That's it. You cannot show that startup logo with details. If you're going to do it here, it will not show, but only here in the middle. Okay, and then the other one, if you're going to do the same on the left side of the screen, it will show you the touch test drag panel, so you can test the accuracy of your touch screen. Okay, so to exit on this menu, just simply press the encoder button. This is a very let's say unique and exceptional compared with other SDR that came out to the market. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about DeepSDR 101, please comment down below and we will answer it as soon as possible. And I'm going to leave the website link on the description below and include all the links that you needed before you purchase this product online. I suggest to read the manual and the guide so that you're going to have more information, more details that it is on the parameters and specification of this product. Okay, once again, thank you very much and see you on the next video. Bye.